Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Here is LeetCode problems. Today's I will solve interesting problem number 1457, pseudo-palindromic paths in a binary tree medium level. We have a binary tree and need to find paths which um, which contains number can be rearranged uh, in a palindrome numbers. So we need to find count of which pseudo-palindromic paths in a binary tree. So we have two um, we have here two subproblems. One of uh, we need to check if uh, some path is pseudo-palindromic, and second thing we need to check all numbers in binary tree, all nodes, and find each path. And if each path is uh, palindromic, then increment result by 1. So let's do it. First of all, let's create a function to check if current path is palindromic. Let's create function is poly value one. This function has one argument v, is a list with all possible values and count of each value. This binary tree can have value from 1 to 9. So we can be a list of size 10. This list is palindromic if it contains only at, at most one odd number. So the list is palindromic if it contains even numbers of contains numbers which can be divided by 2 in two sides of palindrome, or it has only one odd number which is a middle of palindrome, and all the numbers can be divided by 2. So we need to count odd numbers, and it can be at most 1. So let's do it that way. Sum 1 if current 1 if I no 1 for I in V, if I modulo 2 equals to 1, and this sum must be less or equals to 1. Next we need a recursion function. Let's create it and call it helper to augment one current node and v. V means the same as in the previous function. And let's check base cases. First base case, if node is empty. If not node, return 0. Second thing, we will add current value in v. So v at node.val increment by 1, and after we check all nodes we need to decrement it. And now check two possible cases. One case, if current node is leaf, uh, if current node doesn't have left and doesn't have right branches. In this case, let's create result and equals to 1 if v is palindrome, else 0. Otherwise, so else result equals to sum of calling helper function for left and right paths. Node dot left v plus helper node dot right and v, and return result. So that's it. And let's check tests. Some problem. Yeah, we need to return helper of root and list filled by zeros. Something wrong. Yes, small mistake. Check test again. Test passed, submitted. Yes, it works and very efficient by time and memory. That's it for today. You can check whole solution in the description. And thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.